You're looking at a 1957 Chevrolet half-ton long bed pickup with the rear big window. Full restoration completed just a few miles ago. Original blue paint. This is a one-owner truck and was restored by the original owner. Gorgeous paint, like new chrome. Power antenna. Look how nice and straight that body is. Brand new tires and wheels. The bed is brand new. Look at that gorgeous big window. Again, very nice chrome. This is a frame-off restoration. Take a look at the undercarriage. Frame was blasted and painted. New body mounts. The interior was completely refurbished as well. New seats, headliner, original steering wheel that's been refurbished, original instrumentation, radio, upgraded shifter, heater, doors shut nice and tight on the first time. Very nice body. No evidence of extensive rust repair or Bondo. Let's go ahead and start her up. Three-speed shifter. Again, nice and tight on the doors there. Very nice body gaps. Original motor, original 6-cylinder stove bolt. Original carburetor. Air filter. Look at that frame. Just gorgeous. Don't miss your chance on this 1957 fully restored big window truck.